our worktop corner concession storage bin. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, a length of 29 inches, a height of 31 inches, and a depth of 28 inches. Please note that the film covering the stainless steel finish can be peeled off. Okay. On the bottom, we have our right and left doors. Each one is 2 separate compartments, with each compartment measuring 27 inches in depth, 14 inches in length, and 26 inches in height. Measurements apply for the left and right storage compartment, and located on the top are magnetic tabs, so when you close the door, it will remain shut. As seen, this is the curved worktop stand, and located on the bottom left corner is a drop bin. The opening for the drop bin will include 9 inches in length by 13 inches in depth. With the interior measurements of the drop bin below, we have 26 inches in height, 27 inches in depth, and a length of 14 inches. Measurements apply for the length and depth of the interior of the drop bin, and as seen on the left corner, it will be at a curve. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.